Polish. At times I also look like a Polish. I also look like a Pakistani. So yeah, whatever you have in your mind, you can think of it. But yes, I am an Indian. Okay, just like you, I also came 1.5 years ago. Okay, and I faced a few positive stages and a few negative stages. And now, when I look back, okay, there were 3 more semesters. I would say 3 more intakes, which came after me, and they are also facing the same issues which I was facing. So I thought, why not to share what I have already faced, so that maybe you can ignore these things, right? Maybe the negatives that I had, you can avoid them and you can excel more, further, faster than me. So that is the reason I requested university that please allow me to give some information how it works here. Okay. So that is the thing that I am going to share with you guys. Okay. Now I don't think so that somebody from here is here to fail. Is there anybody who wants to fail here? It may be educational or it can be your financial stage. Nobody wants to fail, right? Everybody wants a success, right? Now, maybe I can ask, what means by success from you guys? What do you mean by success? Can anybody tell me? That if I achieve this thing or something, this stage, I'll be a successful person, right? There will be something in your mind. Okay. But yes, we want to get success. Okay. Though we don't know what success means for us, for ourselves, we want to get success. It's not wrong. That's okay. Now, the thing is, I have faced failures and then I got the success. Right? So it's not that easy that you get succeed just by coming here, studying here, or by not studying here. Okay? So first, yes, decide what you want to get from Poland. Which kind of success you are looking for, and then go towards it. Just don't go blindly, because already 3 semesters, 3 intakes have already came and they are blindly following you. So I don't want you guys to face the same thing. Okay. Now I have this thing happen. Okay. So here it is. Call your parents and ask them to send you 5 lakhs more. It's rupees, to be more successful here, because you are telling them that yes, I am not capable of getting success here on my own, and I cannot change myself to get success. Will you do that? Will you call your parents and ask for such money? Okay. Thank you. I was just expecting that. Now why I am saying is because people are already doing this here. Yeah. They are calling money from India, spending here, thinking that okay, I'll get success here, I'll get more stability and all things. I'm sure you must have heard something which is called work permit, TRC, Katte Pobetu, right? TRP as well. So these all are the things which leads to this kind of demand to our parents or maybe to our big brothers or anybody who can help us financially, right? So I don't want you guys to do this, because yes, I want you guys to get success, not the failure. Because I haven't seen anybody so far in my 1.5 year who has called money from India and then got success here. Nobody. If you know someone, please let me know. Now I want to share a story of my best friend. Okay, just like me, he came in Feb 2016. Stayed without job for 4 months. For first semester entirely, you did not have any job. What would you do for 4 months? Just like, any idea? What would you do for 4 months if you are not having any job? Sorry?
Study and search for the job.
Keep searching the job.
Study as well as searching for the job.
Yes, exactly. So that's what I did, like my friend did. And yes, he got the job after 4 months. So, do you mean that at this stage he got the success? He just got the job, right? We didn't know what is there in it and what other challenges are there, because you are in Poland where nobody speaks English that much, right? So I did, the friend didn't know what is going to happen. So what the person, I know the picture is not very clear. Yeah. This is one of my favorite. He continued studying because yes, at this stage he wasn't aware that what is going to happen. He got the job, but whether he will continue the job, whether he will like the job or not, whether the people, the employer will like him, right? Nothing was concrete. So what he did? He continued studying because this was the concrete thing that he knew. That yes, if I am studying, I am continuing my stability here. I am getting something. Getting something is not only related to money. If you get money, then you are getting something. It's not like that, right? This is education. Now, after a few months, yes, he got stabilized, and now he started supporting his family financially. That means he started sending money to India, which is everybody's dream, I guess, right? We want our parents to be happy by seeing us getting success, and their parameters of success is more money you send, the more successful you are, right? Then he also started a business. Yes. Now, the person has a job, he is studying, and he is also starting a business. Is it very easy? Right? But yes, he is on the path of success. He has not yet got the success. So now, I would just request you guys to think about your current stage, where you currently are, and the person who has started business at this point of time. What options he has? He will definitely have brighter future because he is studying, he has the job, and he has a business, right? Then, apart from the brighter side, there are legal options. Right? The work permit that you are going to get offers from people is not a legal option. Okay, I will come to that. We will discuss in like very vast, broad way. Okay, because I want you guys to make sure that you don't fall into that trap. So now, after this stage, would you feel something achieved? Okay, I have done something, I have achieved something. Now my parents are not cursing me for going to Poland. Right? That is what my friend felt. So now, at least I want you guys to be successful, just like my friend. Now it's you need to answer this question to yourself, whether you want to be one or not. Now there are some rules that that person has followed, and he has got this far, right? So let's go through them. The first one, it's a slang in India, I guess, right? Mind your own business. Right? We consider it as a slang. Tu tera kar. Very attitude, rude. reality of Poland. If you don't mind your own business, okay, some people have business through you. Are you guys getting it? This is very much to understand. Okay. If you don't mind your own business, that means what you do, you need to keep that in mind. Other people will take advantage from you and they will continue their business, some or the other. So don't fall into this trap. Okay? Seek help only from the successful people in the same field. Now, I will just give you an example so that you understand this very clearly. For example, you have got some offer. There is a job. Okay? There are many jobs here. Trust me guys, there are many jobs. It depends how you can get it. What you have, what capabilities you are carrying. Okay, that will fetch you a job. But when you go for a job, you will get an offer and a charge. I don't mind if you pay the charge. If you feel comfortable, if you have extra money to get the job, you can pay the charge. But then just ask that person, okay, how many people have got this job so far? How many are successful out of that job? How many are continuing this job and they are happy with their job? I am very sure that nobody will answer these 4 questions in yes, I can assure you. Nobody. Because if there was that kind of a job, okay, which gives you satisfaction, why would that person be doing this selling of job? Why would he not go for that job? Right? For example, if I am working somewhere in a good company and I am asking you, okay, I have a designation which is open, okay, you can apply for it. Okay. Then what you would think, okay, I have the job, but am I happy with that job? Then and only I will be recommending you. Okay, if I am not doing it, just telling you, okay, go there, you need to use your mind. So that is the second point, second rule. Third is, I am sure nobody will agree for this at this stage. But just remember this, and after a year, when Ivona ma'am said that you need to apply for TRC, okay, remember this third rule and then evaluate yourself after a year. You will come to know why these were written down here. Okay? Focus on learning first, earning later, and then spending at the last. Because here there are many lucrative ways of spending money. Right? Take it, drink, food. I don't want to name the third thing. Right? So there are many ways. But when you want to spend, you have to first earn. Right? And to earn, you have to learn a few basic things here. Okay, so first focus on the learning. When you learn something, implement it and you will get the job. Once you get the job, you start earning, and then you can always spend. It's all your money. It's not your parents' money. Right? It's your money. You can spend anywhere you want. But yes, focus on learning. That's the core. Now, do not fall into the trap. Here I would come to the work permit thing. Because I have seen many people, okay, who have applied for work permit. Okay, they have been waiting for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. One of my friends has also waited for a year. After 2 rejections, he got devastated and he went back to India. Even after paying the fees for this work permit, he did not get the success. That is the first example. Now second example. The other friend got the work permit. Happily showed me the card, the TRC card. Okay, I have it. He got the paisa, everything was set. Now what? After getting the card, he didn't know what to do. Because at in that time when he applied for this BRC, okay, he was told that if you have this card, you can get the job anywhere in Poland. But when he went, okay, for a job, okay, they saw the card, they saw the decision letter. There is a letter along with the card which is issued, which shows that why you got this BRC, and it says that you are already an employee of a company which is paying the taxes on behalf of you, though you are paying it to that company and company is paying to government. Okay? Now in this chain, where is your earning? You just got the card, it's just a paper, right? Now he got the card but he don't know what to do, because whenever he goes to any other company, the company says, okay, you already have an employer, you already have the PRC through that employer, you should be loyal to that employer. First of all, you should be loyal to that employer because he has helped you in getting the stability here. Second thing, you are already earning. If we hire you, okay, it will be a double earning. How will we justify it to the government as an employer? How will we justify that you are working there as well as here? Third question, okay, if we allow you to leave that job and transfer this PRC under our company, okay, why would we do that? What is there in you that we would do this for you? And the job will be, let's say, in the bakery, where you will just pull the things, put it back, pull the things, put it back. Okay, is this a specialist job? Specialized job? No. Then why would the employer transfer the PRC, okay, from one employer to their own company? Why? Why to have that headache? They can get the polished person who will work more diligently without taking any leaves like we do, okay, and without any issues. If they want to talk something, they will go directly to that person, speak to them with their own language. They will have to struggle with you every time they talk, right? Why would they have this headache? So what is the purpose of PRC? He didn't know. My friend who got the PRC, he didn't know. And now the situation is, he doesn't have a job, he is spending money, he has already spent money for the PRC, now he is spending to continue here, right? He has to have food, travel, other things, right? Where his money will come from? Right? At that time, I showed you that paragraph, right? Send me 5 lakhs. So 2.5 lakhs approximately I am telling you. That is for the first part where you get the PRC done. And the second 2.5 lakh to sustain here without a job. Okay. Now these are the negative sides I talked about. Okay. So at the end, yes, this is this fifth rule. Success doesn't have a shortcut. So these were the shortcuts which people took, went back to India or are here. You will see many people coming. When you travel, you will see people. Okay? So that's the reason I recommend you. I am not forcing you. You can go ahead with the PRC. I don't mind. Okay. Now let's look at the positive side. Okay. Let's say you got a PRC. Now maybe some people will tell from here, okay, if I get the PRC, I have 3 years validity here to stay, right? I can go to Germany, I can go to Spain, France. There are 28 other countries where I can go, right? And then sustain myself. Okay. Now as you know, Europe is the bunch of countries where different languages are there, right? So if you learn from Polish, you will have to learn French. If you run from French, you have to learn Spanish or German or Slavic or Czech, any. But where is English? Which you know. Where is English? Nowhere. So where will you go? Right? It's very easy to go and see, okay, euros are there. You can go earn euro, but for that you need a base. Remember, nobody will help you in other country. Nobody. Even if he or she is your best friend, they will have their own things to do. So they will not help you to that level that you can earn. They will earn maybe from you, but you won't earn at the end. So I don't think that this is the feasible option to get the TRC done here. And that is the reason I came here to tell you guys, to make you aware, to wide open your eyes that this is what happening. And this is not being done by Polish people. These are our own people. Because they don't have a job. So what will they do? Yeah, the second option is that you can also join their team. You can also process these TRC for other students and get some commission. Is that what you are here for? Are you here to be an agent? I don't want to name this in Hindi, what we call agents, right? So that's the reason I kindly request you, recommend you, suggest you, do not fall into this trap. Now, when I say don't do, now what to do? You will have this question, right? Then what to do? The first and the best option is to continue your study. Get the degree first. Okay? Wait till that. Wait till you get the degree. And if someone is telling you that degree is not worth to get from here, okay, rather than Vistula or Warsaw University, Kosminski, no, that's not the case. The university is always known from his or her its students. It's not that students are known from the university. So if you have caliber in yourself, whatever college is there, you get the degree and you will stabilize yourself. So first thing, remove from your mind if someone has told you that WSG is a pathetic university. It is one of the good university for Indians. Specifically for Indians and Nepali people. Why? Because we want to earn and stabilize ourselves. At least we want to support our financial means, right? If not sending money to our country, at least we want to survive here, right? This university allows you, right, to work for some time, maybe part-time. They have this schedule, right? But they help you each and every day. They are liberal. They are not stringent like other universities. So take advantage of it with thin limits. Okay, not more advantage. So yes, because I am studying and I value this degree. I have value of my own in my eyes. So I value this degree. Now it's up to you whether you want to believe those people who have not got the degree, who have not continued this study, and then telling you, recommending you, do not study here. Will you take the advice related to, let's say, some mathematical problem from first standard student who has not gone through that level, who doesn't know mathematics, and he's telling you, okay, 2 plus 2 is 5 or 6. Will you listen to that person? No. You always go to the next level person, right? So ask the successful people already so that you have the clearer picture and real picture. I hope these all things are making any meaning. Are they meaningful?
Yeah.
Because trust me guys, people have come here, sat here, after a week they started working somewhere, and then they did not know that the exams has gone and I don't have a chance to continue my student status. Then they don't have any other option but to apply for work permit. And then they go into this way. So my humble request, please success is already within you. You just have to find it, how to get it. Somewhere it is lying there. Take the degree, you will have n number of options. This degree is recognized all over the world. And this is not that I am telling you without any checks. Okay? I have applied for Canada, okay, and the Canadian government has approved this university. You know the CRS system? Yes. Some of you know, right? The CRS system calculates the points from this university's degree. So it is an authentic degree, not a fake degree. So first develop that confidence that yes, we are somewhere in a good position, good country, good university with good people, and stay away from the people who can take advantage from you. Okay? That's all I wanted to say. Now if you have any questions or if you have something that your mind says, okay, I have heard this, but it is not true from what you are saying. Right? So if you have any suggestions or any questions, please let me know. No questions? So I believe from these people, I will not expect any TRC. Through work, of course. From university, yes, you will get it. Yes.
So we have a visa of 365 days. So suppose we are applying for the TRC in May or the June from the university. So is there any possibility of to get the rejection for the student?
From May, this May and June?
Next
2017?
18.
2018. But I believe you...
We have 365 days.
365 days. Okay. So what I would recommend is, you can take the date, let's say 2 months before the visa expiry date. Why before 2 months? Because after a month of that means 1 month ago, everybody will be rushing. It's not only our university, there are many universities apart from WSG as well. So the students from there also they apply. And they have good help, good assistance in terms of applying for TRC. College has put everything on the website. Okay, you can take help from website. If you have any question, you can always come. They are supporting you. But they will not go exceptionally to help you, which is done in the other college, because they want to maintain that numbers, top 10, top 5. Okay? They know, these people know that what we are getting as students and what we have pictured as an Indian or as a Nepali, okay, they know that how we people are. I'm sorry to say this, right? But when we see outside, okay, stay for a month and look outside. You will come to know how we are. You will hate yourself being an Indian. Trust me. I don't want any such negativities. That is the reason I help people, so that they can take something positive from Poland. Everybody is cursing Poland. Trust me. Nobody is telling good things about Poland after coming here, because they don't want to change themselves. And then they are bad-mouthed, just like this. This is also one of our Indian or maybe Nepali Asian friend who has done this. So this is how we are.